Thank you, Mr. Chairman, and thank you for holding this important hearing about an issue to which I am deeply committed, and that is providing Florida and American homeowners more affordable consumer options in the flood insurance marketplace. I would also like to thank our distinguished panelists today for their testimony, and especially Representative Patrick Murphy for joining me in introducing this Flood Insurance Market Parity and Modernization Act of 2014, which we will be discussing this afternoon. Mr. Chairman, the implementation of the Biggert-Waters Flood Insurance Reform Act of 2012, or BW12, has proven to be problematic. Before Congress acted earlier this year to provide relief for homeowners with National Flood Insurance Program policies, I was hearing reports from my constituents of $15,000 a year increase in premiums. The intent of BW12 was to allow consumers additional insurance policy options beyond the National Flood Insurance Program. However, today homeowners are trapped in a system that forces them to purchase a taxpayer-backed federal insurance product from a program that was already $24 billion in debt at the end of 2013. So why is the Flood Insurance Market Parity and Modernization Act of 2014 necessary? Section 239 of BW12 made clear that the intent of Congress was to allow homeowners the option to pursue private flood insurance. Unfortunately, BW12 narrowly defined acceptable flood insurance programs, thereby limiting the flexibility of state regulators to license private flood insurance products. These restrictions prevent innovation and consumer choice. With Florida homeowners in mind, Representative Murphy and I introduced legislation that redefines private flood insurance to remove federal restrictions and requirements on coverage. In doing so, we would return the full authority of determining acceptable coverage of insurance policies to state regulators. Florida's Insurance Commissioner Kevin McCarty has offered his support of this common-sense legislation. At this point, I would ask unanimous consent to submit his letter dated July 11, 2014 to the record. Mr. Chairman, allowing more consumer choice in the government-dominated flood insurance market creates competition and results in better policies and pricing that will benefit homeowners. With that in mind, I look forward to this hearing and yield back my time.
Thank the gentleman. And now the other lead